Hello friends, welcome back on my YouTube channel Explore the Incredible India with Aditya Thakur. Today we are talking about our top 14 destinations. So let's start Bihar top destinations. Bihar is the definitely one of the most underrated tourist destination in the country. Most people do not give enough importance to this state in India when it comes to a holiday or a vacation. However, the state is steeped in history and one of the most affluent places in the country. It is a hug legacy behind it. If you have been thinking about taking a much needed holiday from work and your everyday busy life, here are the top 14 best places to visit in Bihar. Number 1, Gaya. Gaya can easily be regarded as one of the most popular places to visit in the state of Bihar. It is a Hindu pilgrimage hub as well as transit point for both Gaya's Buddhist pilgrimage center. According to beliefs, Buddha gained his enlightenment under a tree which belongs to the place. The city of Gaya is fairly busy and situated on the banks of river Falgu. Number 2, Nalanda. Nalanda offers one of the most oldest universities in the country and is definitely a crucial site in the state of Bihar. In addition to that, it is even said that Buddha delivered lectures in Nalanda near the mango grove. This educational institution is in fact so famous that the Chinese traveler Wang Song visited and stayed at this place for over 2 years. And number 3 is Vaishali. Vaishali can easily be considered as a super crucial archaeological site. At one point of time, it was the capital of the Lachvi rulers. The place earned a lot of fame as it was the birthplace of the very last Jain Tirthakar, Lord Mahavira. Moreover, during Buddha's time, Vaishali was a very prosperous kingdom. The place is also remembered for its goddess courtesan Amrapali. 4th is Munger. Munger is at another popular place that you can consider visiting in Bihar. Munger's history dates all the way back to the Aryans. They called this place the Midland. Munger is a very popular name for yoga verbs, as the place is also known as a Bihar school's seat of yoga. Some major tourist attractions that you can visit in Munger are Sita Kund, Rivalpur, and 5th is Patna. Patna can easily be described as the biggest city in the state of Bihar, located on Ganga's south bank and also sometimes called Patliputra in the olden times. Patna is also considered to be one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. This place is an important pilgrimage for all Sikh devotees because it is considered to be the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, the last Sikh Guru. Therefore, Patna is a decent destination to visit as it has offered you a lot of tourist attractions such as Buddha Smriti Park and Kila House. Number 6 is Navlakha Place, Rajnagar. Navlakha Place in Rajnagar is mostly in ruins today, but that located near Madhubani in the state of Bihar. Maharaja Rameshwar Singh is said to have built this place. In addition to that, it went through some extensive damage in 1934 due to an earthquake. After its destruction, no renovation whatsoever was carried out, which is why it is in ruins in the present time. The place complex is extremely beautiful and you can enjoy the pond, garden and temple with your travel buddies. Number 7 is Jal Mandir, Pavapuri. Jal Mandir is an ancient Jain pilgrimage located in Pavapuri, Bihar. It has been an extremely revered place by Jain devotees across the world because, according to beliefs, Lord Mahavira died in this place in 500 BCE. It is also believed that this place is an ceremonial ground of Jain sect last Tirthakar. As a result, a lot of Jain devotees from across the country frequent this place often. The place can also offer tourists a glimpse of the history of Pavapuri in Mandir in particular. And number 8 is most important tourist place, Wang Song Memorial Hall, Kundalpur. The Wangsong Memorial Hall in Kundalpur is another place of interest in Bihar. It was built in the memory of Wangsong. As the name suggests, Wangsong was a famous Chinese traveler who is believed to have traveled to Nalanda, Bihar in the 5th century AD. Partly, Wangsong was so impressed and awed by the place that he went on to stay here for a stretch almost 12 years learning and teaching. Number 9. Vishnu Shanti Stup, Rajgir. The Vishnu Shanti Stup in Rajgir is also famously called the World Peace Pagoda. It stands proudly in Rajgir's historic city. This stupa or peace pagoda is one of the 7 that were construction in India. Therefore, it is a must-visit place in the state of Bihar, built in 1969. The pagoda spread the message of non-violence and peace. It is marked by 4 glorious and stunning statues of Buddha, which reflect the 4 different phases of the life of Buddha: birth, enlightenment, teaching, as well as death. And next places is Sher Shah Suri tomb, Sasaram is 10. The Sher Shah Suri tomb in Sasaram was built in Emperor Sher Shah Suri's memory in 1545 AD. The tomb can easily be regarded as a great example of the architecture of Indo-Islam in the country. Architecturally splendid tomb made of sandstone is definitely worth a visit if you ever happen to visit Bihar. If nothing else, you will get to be a part of glorious history. Number 11 is Bikramshila Range, Bhagalpur. The Bikramshila Range in Bhagalpur is another place steeped in history. It is one of the 2 most crucial learning centers in the state. In addition to that, the place was constructed by King Dharmapal. According to popular beliefs, the king was rather displeased with Nalanda's disputing quality, which is why he chose to develop a better institute for the purpose of learning. Although Bikramshila is most ruined now, it has been undergoing some renovation work. A number of wall carving stupas and Buddhist monastery were unveiled during. Number 12, the Thai monastery, Bodh Gaya. Another incredible gem in Bihar is the Thai monastery situated in Bihar. It was established in the year 1957 with the assistance of Indian Buddhist monks and the government of Thailand. This makes it is a must-see place in the holy city of Bodh Gaya. It has been constructed in the typical Thai architectural style, and it reflects the tradition and culture of Thailand. Number 13, Buxar Fort. Buxar Fort was constructed by the King Rudra Dev in 1054 AD. As a tourist, you will have the chance to see the treasure trove of countless artifacts at this place. History buffs and architecture students have a good time to visit place. Number 14 is Sonpur Fair. Last but definitely not least is the Sonpur Fair in Bihar. It has become a rather place of all kind of soul who are always looking a new place and thing to explore on their travels. The fair is a festival that is held every year in November. Highlight of this event is definitely animal trade. The fair is also called the Hariyar Kast Mela and can easily be regarded as the largest and the most significant cattle fair across the globe. So this is the nice places of Bihar. As you can see, Bihar is a melting pot of different culture, tradition and languages. The state has a lot to offer the domestic as well as the international tourists. Therefore, the next time you think about thinking a vacation, you must definitely consider Bihar as the top contender that can show you a grand time for as long as you plan to travel. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel. stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you.